Who do we have here today?
Trevor.
And
Larry.
what are we doing?
Skydiving.
Skydiving strangers today. You trust me to throw you out even though we just met?
Oh yeah.
Trust Travis to throw you out? You haven't even met him yet.
No.
Whose idea was this?
Join, I guess.
Yeah, mutual decision?
Yeah.
Okay. Celebrating anything?
Nope.
Just checking it off the list.
Oh yeah.
Last words, final comments, or confessions before we go?
Nope.
Nothing. For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. Wife can have everything else. Let's go rock and skydive, have some fun. High five. High five. Here we go, boys. Yeah. All right. Ready to get in, get up, get out, go have some fun, boys? Do it. Woo.
How you feeling? Right? Alright, man. You just jumped out of an airplane. How you feeling?
Amazing.
Yeah?
Not like I expected, but it's pretty cool.
Heck yeah. What was your favorite part?
I don't know. It's a lot colder than you think. Then you jump out.
Yeah.
And like your heart drops pretty much.
Yeah.
And I don't know. Other than that, it's just a wild ride.
Heck yeah, dude. Would you come back and do it again?
Oh, hell yeah.
Fuck yeah. That's what I like to hear. Thanks for jumping with us, man.
Thank you.